So today I'm going to be showing you a complete cosmetic tattoo treatment on my model Kat here. So as you can see, Kat has brows that are a little bit sparse and fine, and we're going to be designing her a new brow shape and filling them in, and we're going to show you through the entire process.
So as you can see, they're really sparse. I had a medical condition decades ago, had surgeries for it, and after that I lost quite a bit of facial hair and body hair. So the sparseness of the brows, I've been filling them in for 23 years.
Okay.
I think I'm just getting to a point that I want to not have to fill them in and be able to have something more permanent that's there, that makes me feel like I look better when I look in the mirror. Okay,
absolutely. I can create something that's really natural, that's going to work in with your existing brow hairs. So first of all, we'll draw them up and see if you're happy with them, and then we'll go from there. Okay. Brow tattoo is a great solution for those with thinning brows or gaps, those with brow asymmetries that are hard to correct with other treatments, and it's perfect for those with little to no brow hair due to alopecia or other conditions. Kat wants her brows to look natural and the healed result to match or be slightly darker than her hair colour. She wants a more defined arch and shape and to bring her brows in a little closer together. The next step is measuring and drawing up the shape. This can take a little while and is never rushed, as I want to be certain that I've designed the most flattering shape for your face whilst achieving as much symmetry as possible. Before any pigment goes into your skin, I'll show you the drawn shape, make any minor adjustments, and then get your final approval. When deciding on the shape and colour, I take into account many factors, such as your skin and hair tone, whether you normally fill in your eyebrows, your overall facial structure, and what you've told me that you like and dislike in a brow shape. We use high quality, well-known pigment brands and have a wide range to ensure that we can custom blend to suit any skin or hair tone. Our hygiene and safety standards are incredibly high. All of our tattooists are certified in infection control, and all of our needles are single-use, pre-packaged and sterile. We'll ensure that you're completely comfortable before we begin, and if you need to get up and stretch or take a break at any point, it's no problem at all. Overall, the actual tattoo part of the treatment will take between 1 and 2 hours. Initially, I'll create a very light and subtle outline in order to map out the basic shape of the brows. There may be minor discomfort at this point, however a lot of people feel absolutely nothing. Your comfort is important to us, so we'll ensure that any discomfort is managed and the numbing is working effectively. Different needle types and techniques will be used depending on your skin type. You'll hear a faint buzzing noise, and we may stop and start at various points to adjust the needle speed and view the progress. At this point, I'm confident with the shape and how the pigment is absorbing into the skin, so I'm continuing to fill in the eyebrows with the powder fill technique, ensuring even coverage. To give Kat the desired look of a soft yet defined brow, I've chosen combination brows, where I'm creating hair strokes at the front and then gradually blending this into powder fill for increasing density for a stronger arch and tail. This is the most popular type of brow tattoo we offer and is suitable for almost everyone. We're perfectionists here, and we will check several times that we're happy with the pigment coverage and symmetry before we finish off the treatment. Now it's time for the best part, showing you the brows that you've always wanted and that we've collaborated to create.
Oh wow, oh wow, they're amazing. Like I've got brown skin, I haven't seen that for 25 years.
The initial treatment is now complete. The brows are bolder and much darker now than they will be when healed. The colour gradually softens and becomes more muted over the next few weeks. Within a couple of weeks, the brows will appear healed, and around the 4 to 6 week mark, we'll do the retouch, where we perfect the brows and darken them a little more if needed. The treatment is now finished, and we'll go over the aftercare instructions in detail. All of our tattoo treatments include an aftercare pack, so you'll have everything you need to take care of your brows to ensure optimum healing. Brow tattoo gives instant results. It can restore your youthful appearance, improve the look of your facial symmetry, and will mean that you don't have to worry about your brows smudging off. I had this treatment done myself over 10 years ago, and it was an absolute game changer for me. I love the fact that I can create this change for my clients and give them more confidence in their appearance.